Okay, I've paired up once again with Husqvarna to road test one of their latest robotic mowers. This is the 410EX NERA Automotic mower, which doesn't require wires in the ground. This is all done with GPS. My mate Mick up the road has one, and I wanted to give it a go and let you know my thoughts. So you need a qualified Sparky like this legend here and a place to put the antenna receiver, which is called an RS1 reference station. As you can see here, this location is perfect, up on the roof, central to the property with great reach to the Automower. Then you need to find a suitable place for the Husqvarna charging station, ensuring that you have power and approximately 1.5 meters of space in front of the charging station to allow the Automower to dock correctly. Placing the charging station on the ground and securing it with the provided Husqvarna stakes, which just simply screw straight into the ground. This secures it to the ground and allows the mower to dock super easily on its own, completely automatically. Once you've installed the charging station, paired the robotic mower and the reference station together within the Automower Connect app, you can then jump into the app and start defining the areas which you would like the mower to cover. It's a simple process. You literally drive the mower around the lawn like a little radio control car, creating the zones and the boundaries as you can see here. By driving the mower around the edges, around the boundaries, you can define the zones for all the lawn areas such as the back lawn, the front lawn and the nature strip, anywhere that you want the mower to work. And providing you haven't got anything in the way such as the gate and the terrain is pretty smooth, you can actually set the Automower to stop mowing and transition between lawns, and once it gets to each lawn it continues mowing. It's a very streamlined, easy process that allows the Automower to potentially cover all parts of your property without any interference. So edge cut technology?
Yeah.
So it's got this blade down here, this is the main one, eh? And then this
one.
is the edge cut one, yeah.
That's the edge cut one. Yeah.
Sweet. As you can see there, edge cut technology, so once it reaches the boundary line it spins around and trims the edges and then carries on going. Bringing it round to the front yard now to do the same setup. Here it is just driving around the boundary. No dogs were harmed in the process of this recording. Harley just finds it quite interesting. So we'll carry on going around the front of this lawn now, then we'll do the nature strip. And that will be it for the setup, basically, nice and simple. Next video I'll be talking about how you actually use the app so you can define the areas, create the zone, and choose how you want the mower to mow, whether it's stripes, back and forth, random, and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.